I ultimately decided to go for biomedical science due to the balance between practical hands-on lab work and learning the theory behind biological mechanisms.
The modules include guest lecturers such as Dr. Mike Allen, who spoke about antibiotic resistance, which are always interesting to attend.
On my course, I've worked on multiple live briefs, including some for the NHS. I've also had meetings with the Careers Advisory team, which have been a great help.
All of our staff are also active researchers with expertise in cancer biology, in bioinformatics, in genetics. We really have expertise across the sector.
The facilities at ARU are fantastic. The Super Lab is amazing.
The advanced lab equipment has let me further research topics that interest me without limitations. They've provided me with invaluable research experience outside of my course's scope.
Here at ARU, I made a good set of friends in the first year, and we've made sure to help each other through exams and assessments. All the lab skills I've learnt throughout my degree will be really helpful towards my aim of doing a master's degree.
If you're thinking about it, just do it.